Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 20 stocks including Angel One, Mastech, Godrej Consumer Products, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I'm Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. CESC Limited, CESC, share is trading around rupees 154. CESC announced a dividend of rupees 4.5 per each share. 16th January is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. Siemens Limited, Siemens, current market price rupees 5,863. Siemens announced a dividend of rupees 12 per each share. 30th January is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend of Siemens. KSOLs India Limited, KSOLs, current market price rupees 944. KSOLs announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of KSOLs India Limited, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by KSOLs India. JBM Auto Limited, JBMA, current market price rupees 1,573. JBM Auto announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 31st January 2025. Imami Limited, Imami, share is trading around rupees 559. Company announced a board meeting on 27th January 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Record date for the dividend is already fixed as 4th February 2025. Regis Industries Limited, share is trading around rupees 136. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 16th January 2025. Coforge Limited, current market price rupees 8,592. Coforge announced a board meeting on 22nd January 2025. Purpose of the meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. DCM Shriram Limited, DCM Shriram, share is trading around rupees 1,047. DCM Shriram announced a board meeting on 18th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is same, declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Wipro Limited, Wipro, current market price rupees 293. Company announced a board meeting on 17th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Tanla Platforms Limited, Tanla, share is trading around rupees 673. Tanla Platform announced a board meeting on 21st January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Mastech Limited, Mastech, current market price rupees 2,782. Mastech announced a board meeting on 16th January 2025 to declare dividend and to announce Q3. Sona BLW Precision Forgings Limited, Sona Coms, share is trading around rupees 572. Sona BLW Precision announced a board meeting on 23rd January 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Godrej Consumer Products Limited, Godrej CP, current market price rupees 1,140. Godrej CP announced a board meeting on 24th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Prathin Limited, current market price rupees 27. Prathin announced a board meeting on 17th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is bonus and stock split. KEI Industries Limited, KEI, current market price rupees 4,020. KEI Industries announced a board meeting on 20th February 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Angel One Limited, Angel One, current market price rupees 2,371. Company announced a dividend of rupees 11 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 21st January 2025. Blue Cloud Softtech Solutions Limited, current market price rupees 87. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 20th January 2025. BN Rathi Securities Limited, current market price rupees 233. Company announced bonus in the ratio 1:1 and announced stock split in the ratio 1:2. Record date for the corporate action is fixed as 24th January 2025. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.